Good morning class. How are you students? Hope everyone is fine. Let's start our subject. Today our subject is mathematics and this is your new chapter multiplication chapter 8 and this is your part 10. Look here, Pedro Parrot has been given a question. What is the question? I do not know the table of 32. Okay, here is 32 multiply by 3. It will be 3 2 ja 6 and here 3 3s are 9. Like this you can multiply it. The wise owl helps him. That ones tens we will arrange here. 2 is in the ones place and 3 is in the tens place. And we will multiply by 3. Ones place का digit answer ones में आएगा और tens का digit tens में ही आएगा. Okay. If there will be carry in ones, it will go in the tens place and tens place together it will add and right will be here. First multiply number at ones place by 3. Then 2 multiply 3 is equal to 6 ones. Again in the next step. Next multiply tens by 3. Okay, then 3 3s are 9. That is 9 tens. That is 9 tens and 6 ones is equal to 96. The same way we have to do the question is given here. Now do these questions. In ones tens everywhere it has been arranged. 13 multiply 3. Then 3 3s are 9 and 3 ones are 3. 3 zeros are always we will 0 by multiply answer will be 0. 3 2s are 6. 3 1s are 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 2s are 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. Okay students, in this way we have to multiply it. 1 2s are 2. 1 7s are 7. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 times 8. Again 2 zeros are 0. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. Okay, turn the next page, come to the here. We will look here again the same process. Now solve the following. The same way we have to solve this here also. Okay students, how we will solve? Again multiply here. 4 2s are 8 and 4 1s are 4. Again here will be 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6. Here will be 5 zeros are 0, 5 1s are 5. Next 1 2s are 2, 1 9s are 9. 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. 2 zeros are 0, 2 3s are 6. 9 1s are 9, 9 1s are 9. 4 zeros are 0, 4 2s are 8. डिजिट के सामने प्लेस के सामने नंबर लिखेंगे. ओके, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5. नेक्स्ट 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Here will be 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Okay students, now see the next one. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Here 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4. Again the next 3 3s are 9, 3 3s are 9. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 1 8s are 8, 1 9s are 9. Okay, turn the next page. Here we will come here. Look at here. Brain teaser. Question number 1. Write the multiplication facts for each. How many boxes are here? 1 2 3. Then 3 times and in each box how many triangles are here? 1 2 1 2 1 2. In each box there is 2 2. Then 3 times 2 is equal to 6. That is 3 multiply 2 is equal to 6. Again here how many boxes? 1 2 3 4 boxes. Here we will write 4 times. In each box how many circles? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 6. In each box there is 6 circles. Then 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Here will also 4 times 6 is equal to 24. Okay students. Now one example it has given just a game. Fill in the blanks square it has been given here. For the example like this 4 3s are 12. Just you have to see just understood this as 6 8s are 48. The same way here 8 9s are 72. The same is here. 7 multiplied 2 is equal to 7 multiplied 2 is equal to, students, 14. Okay. Now the same way we have to do here. Question number 3. There are 7 days in a week. In 1 week, how many days? 7 days. How many days are there in 30 weeks? Then we will multiply 30 multiplied by 7 is equal to 210 days. Okay, students. Now again turn the next page. Let's see the question number 4. How many fingers do 6 boys have together? Then in 1 boy, how many fingers? 10 fingers. Okay, together in both hands. And there are 6 boys. Then 10 multiplied 6 is equal to 60 fingers. What you will write? Fingers. 60 fingers. Okay. In this way we have to write here. These things you will do in your copy. Did you understood? Okay. This page also you will do in the copy. This page you will write in your maths fair copy, and this question also you will do in your copy. Okay. Page number 105 and 106. 106 also. Both page you will do in your copy also. So please listen the video till end and watch it carefully, then write. Number 5. How many legs do 14 birds have together? In 1 bird, how many legs? 2 legs. Okay. How many legs in 2? There are 14 birds. Then 14 multiplied 2 is equal to 28 legs. 28 legs. Okay. Now next question, this all you have to do in your copy, maths fair copy. How many 6s are there in 42? Then 7 times 6 is equal to 42. Okay. How many 6s are there? 7 6s are there in 42 because 7 times 6 is equal to 42. Now we have to continue this pattern. 7 1 is 7, 7 2 is. This is the table of 7. 7 3 is 21, 7 4 is 28, 7 5 is 35. Again 7 6 is 42, 7 7 is 49, 7 8 is 56, 7 9 is 63, and 7 10 is 70. This way you have to do. Okay, students. Now see the last. These all things, the pictures also you have to do in your copy, maths fair copy. Next, last question. Complete the following list of food items. First, fill in your daily requirement, and then find out the quantity needed for a week. This thing also you have to write in your maths fair copy. Make a column like this, then you have to do food item, quantity, that means per day, how much quantity used per day, and this quantity for week, 1 week. Milk glass, how many glass per day? 2 glasses 1 day. And the 1 week, 7. 1 week, how many days? 7. 7 multiplied 2 is equal to 14 glasses. Chapatis per day, 6 chapatis. In 1 week, 7 multiplied 6 is equal to 42 chapatis. Please write all the spellings correctly. Sweets per day, 2 sweets. 1 week, 7 multiplied 2 is equal to 14 sweets. 7 multiplied 2 is equal to 14 sweets. Fruits, 2 fruits. 7 multiplied 2 is equal to 14 fruits. Okay, students, I hope you all understood. Thank you. Bye bye, bachcho.